Cool Kicks YouTube channel, back at the Champs Outlet, and I have been checking regularly for the Mitchell and S gear Dodger shorts. I'm gonna have to grab one of those. Someone trying on Vans, got some fire Concords right there. The Concord lows? Are those the Emerald lows?
Concords.
The Concord lows?
Yeah.
They look low. Okay. Concord lows. I had to talk to him about that from 2013.
Yeah.
That's fire.
Still good.
Workers are a little bit busy. I'm gonna ask them about those shorts in a minute. Were these 50 before? I don't think these were 50 before. These were like 79 or something. These went down to 52. Grade school versions down to $30. Are you serious? Wow. Then they still got these for $5 frickin', which is crazy. I did grab a couple of them. Oh, okay, and then they still have this third colorway right here for $5 as well. All right, I'm just running around everywhere because I'm seeing a lot of stuff that I hadn't seen before. Got Clippers beanies right here. These are new era. These any discount, or are they still 30? They still 30? I don't know. I would definitely ask. This is like a silk material or something. These are normally 36. Okay. I would definitely ask if you guys are interested, because I don't think anything here is just regular sticker price. All right, so one of the workers did check those out. That was a large right there. I did not grab the Dodgers Mitchell and S because they had this new era. This new era one is fire. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a huge Dodger fan. I do go to the games here and there because I have friends that are all Dodger fans, so I do go to the games. $80 down to $20. It says World Series champions right there. The graphics, these will eventually come off, but yeah, I probably won't even be wearing this that often. This is pretty fire right here. It does have the old school logo right there, and then the World Series 2020, and then 7X. Yeah, these are fire, dude. These are fire, especially for $20. Still got the UNC shorts. Those are the authentics. Those are going for $20, normally $125. They got the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air Mitchell and S ones right there. Then they got the the Chinese New Year, the Lunar New Year, Lakers, 76ers, and then they have some Raptors ones in there too. He did show me the Raptors ones, and then the Magic ones right there. So all the Lunar New Year ones are normally $125, down to $20. Kind of crazy. Small and medium for the UNCs right now. He's just told another customer. And then they've been having those. Those are the Chicago Bulls. They also have a Lakers, the sketch one, I think they call it, for $30. Got Fresh Prince of Bel-Air jerseys right there for $30. These are all Mitchell and S. Got the blue ones, and then they got the Lunar New Year Bulls, and then they got the splatter paint Raptors one right there, and then they got the Lunar New Year Shaq jerseys behind that. And they got more of those. Those are pretty whatever. $10 rack right here. Look at this. The uninterrupted. That is, I think LeBron is part owners. The More Than an Athlete shorts right here. These are short though, man. These are short. But that's kind of the way people have been wearing them, or the kids have been wearing them. These are XLs, and they're shorter than these. Yeah, they're shorter than the ones that I have. This is just a large. But yeah, these are $10, dude. Not bad if you don't mind short shorts. I think rest of the stuff here, CSG stuff right here. This is East Bay stuff right here. East Bay stuff. These are $10, normally $40. All right, we're gonna get back to the apparel. Let's go check out some of the sneakers, and then we'll move to the apparel once again. And I did mention that these, I think I want to say they were $69, $79, down to $50. The Iversons. These are freaking fire, $50. Also the 25th anniversary colorway right here. And then the Answers going for $50. That is a steal. Then we're checking out some Pumas RSX. Super comfy. I want to say this is one of the first colorways that did come out. That's why it's on sale. $30 for those bad boys. If you just want black and white, these are going for $50 right here. Pretty solid value. Yeah, this colorway right here too. And then just a cream with a gum bottom. Super clean. 50 bucks for those, not bad. These are Future Riders? Corduroy Future Riders, is that what they are? Yeah, Future Riders going for $30. It's been a minute since those came out. I haven't seen Future Riders in a while. I have the Nintendo version, which is pretty fire. Then I got suede's right here. Suede's going for 30. This one going for 40. This one going for 50, and then 40 right there as well. I did miss these. I missed these. Got two colorways right here of the RSX. Size 11, 574 right here. I'm like, would this match with the Niners? I don't think it will. I don't think it will, because this is like more of a like maroon type of red. Niners just more of a straight red. They have a dark red stuff too, but yeah, I don't think these match. 85 down to $30. 30 freaking dollars. That's what's up. I normally wear 10 and a half. 11 fits okay. This is an 11, so I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I'm trying not to buy stuff. This is clean though, man. Maybe I should get it for my pops. I just want one. I want to get one, especially at this price. Maybe I should get one for my pops, because these are fire, dude. I was telling one of the homies here, this is like, when it's this cheap, usually that means you only have like one or two. I'm gonna think about it. These are down to 50 normally, what, $80? Damn, these went from 80 to 95 within the last like 3-4 months. Dang. All right, checking out the Nikes and Jordans, 36s, 312s, 11 low IEs, got some 6 rings on top. I was like, what the hell is this? The Stay Loyal 2s. I had to look it up because I had no clue what the hell these are. Delta 3 lows. What's these? The 200? The 200Es. Tyrese still going for 60. Got the Cosmic Unities right here. Dang, some of these prices are, man, these prices are going down and down. Air Max, some random Air Max right here. Air Max 90s right here going for $120. That's not that great of a sale. The Kyrie's right here. The ADs. Air Force One boots finally have a price. $80. $80. I'm gonna have to grab these eventually. Maybe next week. I'm gonna have to grab these eventually. Maybe next week. Yeah, man. These are fire, dude. Hopefully they don't sell out. We'll see. Dude, got the KB1s right there. The Kobe's. Go for $100. So many colorways. Look at this. Look at this. I know not too many people are into the Gill Zeros, but this is my favorite colorway. The uncrowned colorway, $50. And then look at this, the Donovan Mitchell 4s. The Xbox colorway right here. But like, why wouldn't they make most of it green? That's like stupid. Why wouldn't they make most of this green? But yeah, $40 for those right there. The D-Rose 1.5s going for $50. NMDs. I think this is one of the, was it the V3? Oh, I was like the V2s, V3s? I know that's a V3 right there. That one's down to 60. Some of the cheapest prices for NMDs that we've seen. Donovan Mitchell's, older Donovan Mitchell's, going for freaking $40. That's pretty fire. Got these bad boys down to 80. Pretty solid deals, yo. Pretty solid deals. These Ultra Boost 100. These 4D things. I don't remember the name of those. Yeah, 60, $100 for those. If y'all like old school, got the Stan Smiths right here, go for hella cheap, $40. Then if you're new school, you got the Stan Smiths. Stan Marsh Stan Smiths, go for 60. Project Rock, I think these are the BSRs. BSR 2s, kind of like the lower budget ones. $50 for both of those. The Kamikazes, I was asking which, about some Reeboks a while back, and someone said they're the Sean Kemps. I was like, the Kamikazes are the Sean Kemps. You have the Kamikazes 2s as well. And they got all these Vans going for $30. This one's down to 20. They only have like 1 or 2 sizes of those. I think it's like 11.5 or something. Then they got all these for 30. They are spotty with sizes. I saw them talking to a customer who was trying to look for his size, and yeah, they were pretty limited. I don't think I showed you guys what I'm wearing the last few videos. I am doing a marathon today. I do marathons here and there, depending on whether I have time. But yeah, wearing some Dunk Low SB eye shot. I forgot what color this is. Barely pink or something. I don't know. One of the dopest outlet finds. I think I found those for what, $35 at the clearance store. Got these shorts for $20 at, where did I get it? At the Lids. And then I think I'm just wearing like a Old Navy tank top, so that's cheap as hell, man. Super budget. Super budget. Why does Champs have this? Dragon Ball Z? And it's actually official Dragon Ball Z stuff. Normally 25 down to 10. I know someone who might need one of these. Oh, he doesn't need one. But fool's like 20 years old, 22 or something, and I think he watches a lot of anime. This might work. But I have like a ton of other stuff. I have like so many other things. I have one of these sitting at home that I thought someone would like, but I don't know if they do, so I'm gonna give that to him. Naruto and Dragon Ball Z. Should I get one of each? Or should I give him one of each? Because I already have a Naruto and I don't. See if any of the prices have changed on those. Oh, they got Nike Air hoodies right there. I don't think I saw those before. And I think they're $40. That Tech Fleece for $60. Tech Fleece for $60 right there. And is that Tech Fleece too? I don't know. I can't tell. No, I don't think so. That's just like a track jacket type of material. $40 for those. JDI hoodies right here. Pretty fire. Like I said, I'd be surprised if any of this is over 40, 50 bucks. $30 hoodies. We did take a look at this. But these are jackets. Like track jackets, $30. These are normally $100 down to $30. Nike Air hoodies right here going for $30. Like an army green, $70 for $30. Ooh, this is one of the really nice. No, never mind. It's medium, like medium thickness. But yeah, these are normally $90 down to $30, dude. This Nike one as well, $65 down to $30. These are small. This is an XL. Bunch of, what do they call those? Nike pinwheels? What they call them? I don't know. $70 down to $30. $70 normally for these. These are going for $30 as well. If you like hoodies, man, this is Hoodie Central. $30 for all these. Got track pants right here. These are all 30 bucks. These are normally 80. Got some nice ones right here. Got some nice sweats. These are 75 down to 30. These are large. Dude, these are fire. The camos. These are I usually hate camo. I'm usually not the biggest fan. Are these all small though? I think, oh, they got medium right here. Small, medium, and even XL right here. $30, normally $75 for the camo sweats right there. Pretty fire. New Era Oakland A's. Oh, this is all the teams. A's, Toronto White Sox, Angels in the back right here. So it looks like this is the AL. It looks like it's the AL. But yeah, I don't really know for sure. I don't really know baseball that well. $40. This is a small down to 20 bucks. Pretty fire. I've never seen that before. Dry fit material. $5 jorts still. Jean shorts still got them for $5. They got 2 full racks of that. Holy cow. And let's go back to the grade school as well as the women's sneakers. I gotta get going because I do have a schedule. Got a few more places and I have to do some work stuff in a bit. But yeah, 110 down to 50. This is a grade school. These are the Retro P5s. Pretty fire. Got NMD for grade school going for 50. Fruity Pebbles colorway right here, 50. 60 for the pink ones. Vans go for $60, grade school sizes. I showed those earlier. Those are pretty fire. RSX right next door for 30s. Pretty legit too. Got these RSX right here for 30 as well. Obviously the kids don't know about the Speed Turf. $30 for those. Got this color I've never seen. And then Airmore Up Tempo, $60. That is so freaking dope. I would get that. If it was anything close to 60, I'd definitely grab that for men's, for mine at least. And then got a couple more up there, 70 and 100. That's dope. Your kiddos need boots or your girl need boots, not bad. Those are the Manoas right here. Oh wait, got this colorway right here, and then these what are these? The duck boots? Are these the duck boots? I don't know. Nah, these ain't the duck boots. It's different up here. But yeah, $40 for the boots. If you need rain boots or, you know, snow boots, that's it. $50 for these. I have been looking for certain colorways of these, so I'm gonna have to come back here, keep checking to see if they have them. I'm gonna keep coming. Anyways, the prices are so good. Those are all women's. Got some Converse right here, down to $40. Got these Vans right here for $20. Let me see which checks are interesting. $30 for these. Got a pretty decent selection. $40 for those bad boys right there. NMDs in the women's. These are the V3s, V1s. Web Boost right here. More of these. And then, ooh, look at this. This is a pretty fire colorway. $80 for these. That's pretty fire in the women's. And they got two more up there. $80 and $100. That's not bad. Got some OGs right here. And then got a few more Nikes. $50 for this is pretty crazy. This is super nice right here for $50. Air Max 97s. Probably the cheapest we've ever seen it. Pretty fire. Vapor Max. Got some Hirachis right there. 60, 50, 40. $80 for that one. Prestos. And that's it, man. Shoot, I gotta go. I did show these a couple videos ago. $20 for these hats. These are all fitted hats too. Got some Cubs if you don't mind hearts and stuff like that. Dang, dude. Like, are these like when you use drugs and stuff? What the heck? Oh, psychedelic and stuff like from the 60s. Isn't that when everybody was using drugs like in the 60s? $20 plus tax. I swear I find something every time I come here now. God dang, dude. $20 though. Not bad. Right? That's pretty dope, right? Especially if you're a Dodger fan. Yeah, these are fire, dude. Yeah, I'll wear these when I support the Dodgers for the homies. Yeah, that's fire. 88 degrees? Holy crap. I know some of you guys in the cold climates, y'all gonna be pissed. Man.